for his unwavering commitment, strong leadership, he would be able to gather 100 people playing pickleball, I tell you. That's how powerful he is. And genuine heart for bringing people together has become one of the most respected and well-known figures within our Filipino-American community. His energy, creativity, and willingness to serve have helped strengthen the mission and spirit of Philippine-American Alliance in North America. Tonight, we proudly welcome the newly inducted and most promising president of Pamana Gainesville, Mr. Jojo Gayo!
Thank you, Ned. Sobrang introduction na. Parang kailangan mo ng interpreter. Go! Nasaan na si Go?
Wala na.
Alright. Distinguished guests, to our inducting officer and guest speaker, Commissioner Casey Willits, to our founding emeritus, Manong Lito Izan, to the outgoing president, President Janjan Madamba, sir, to the board of directors, executive officers, fellow community members, to the presidents and officers of Pagasa, Amelen, friends and visitors, and to my gorgeous ladies, Kyla, Jillian, and of course, the boss, wife, Vivian. Naimbag, narabi tayo amin, good evening. Thank you for the incredible honor of standing before you today as your new president. I accept this responsibility with deep humility and sincere commitment to our shared missions. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to our outgoing leadership, President Janjan Madamba, for their dedications and the strong foundations they have built. And we promise you, we will do the bingo again. As well as the outreach program, hopefully we can do it. My friends and colleagues who encouraged me to step in on this role, thank you for your trust. It is the trust that will fuel my work in the coming term. The organization has always been a cornerstone of this film community here in Gainesville. Whether we are organizing local events, advocating for improvements, or simply providing space for connections, our strength lies in our unity. My goal for this year is simple: growth through engagement. I want to ensure that every member feels their voice is heard and that our project reflects the diverse needs of everyone we represent. We aren't just an organization. We are family. Leadership is never a solo endeavor. The success of our upcoming initiative depends on the energy and ideas you bring to the table. I invite each and everyone to reach out, get involved in our committees, and share your visions for what we can achieve together. Let's build on our history while looking forward to new opportunities. I'm eager to work and to see what we can accomplish side by side. Thank you again for this opportunity. I look forward to serving you in our community. Let's make this a year to remember. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Thank you.